10 Tips to Optimize Your LinkedIn Profile in 2022. Boost your visibility on LinkedIn by following these SEO tips. Optimize your profile, therefore, grow your influence. Let's get started. 1. Identify keywords you want to be visible for. When it comes to keywords, it's important for you to know what you want to rank for. For example, if you are a salesperson or freelancer aiming to get new clients, make sure you include keywords in your profile that your prospects might be searching for. Also consider using hashtags in your profile. Here is an excellent example of great keyword visibility from a person that knows how to position himself in the spotlights of the LinkedIn search. 2. Optimize your LinkedIn profile headline. The optimal headline is on point and shows what you do and what you can do for people. You have 120 characters to get very precise about who you are and what you offer. Avoid sentences like this: I help CEOs of companies with more than 25 employees to. Why? Because these days everybody wants to be ultra specific and relevant towards one customer segment. 3. Write a helpful profile summary. To explain in detail who you are and what you do, you have a 2,000 character limit. A helpful description includes a good overview of who you are, what you can do for potential clients, whether you are open to connect or not. If you are a salesperson, do not forget to add contact information such as mail or phone, a clear call to action. 4. Grow your network by posting relevant content. While this is not going to directly influence your LinkedIn profile appearance, it raises the chance to get noticed by potential clients. So go ahead and produce visibility by posting content regularly. To grow your LinkedIn network, you have to find out what content works for you. 5. Fill your skills section. You can add up to 25 different skills to your profile. Again, include your most important SEO keywords there. 6. Request recommendations from connections. If you see a profile that is packed full of real and positive recommendations about a person, this adds massive trust. You can use this feature to your advantage. Go and ask clients and colleagues to give you recommendations. It will be worth it. 7. Optimize your LinkedIn resume. This one is simple. Include all the work and jobs you have had so far. Make sure that you include what you did there and what skills you developed in the process. It's a good way to notice references to certain skills. 8. The perfect LinkedIn profile photo. Your profile image is one of your most important assets. Make sure that it leaves a positive first impression. To get an optimized LinkedIn profile image, you should follow these tips. Be the only person in the image, have a solid background that doesn't distract, match your background with your profile header. Your face should be at least 60% of the image. The facial expressions count more than you might think. Be aware of the light. Soft, natural light is good. Wear clothes that are authentic and represent you. Only use high-quality images. 9. Have a branded LinkedIn header, banner. You can create free LinkedIn banners by yourself or use a tool like Canva to create a banner in minutes. The optimal banner size is currently at 1400 by 425 pixels. Make sure you put in as few words as possible. Be precise about your value proposition and maybe include a call to action. 10. Use a custom URL for your profile. This one is simple. Maximum LinkedIn character length. For good measure, we have prepared all the frequently asked character limitations of LinkedIn. Profile name length: first name, 20 characters, last name, 40 characters. Profile headline length, 120 characters. Summary length, 2,000 characters. Recommendations, 3,000 characters. Website URL, 256 characters.